All right, boys and girls, we're going to do our morning message. And look who came home with me. Honey is here. And even though I can't ask you for the answers to her to help her with her writing, I'm going to go ahead and do the answers, but we can still learn from that. And let's see what she had to say to us this morning. She said, "Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Miss Blossom told me that you are learning at home this week. We can still have fun even though we are apart. Happy St. Patrick's Day, Buzz Honey." So this morning, let's see what we can do to help. Well, honey, I can see right away that we have the need of some capital letters. So we always know that the beginning of a sentence, we start with a capital letter. So we're going to add a capital T to today. We also know that Tuesday is the day of the week. So days of the week also get capital letters. So we're going to add our capital letter there. Well, honey, names also get capital letters. And Miss Blossom is a name. So we're going to put capital letters for Miss Blossom's name. Let's see, is there anything else that needs capitals? Well, I'm not quite sure yet. So let's continue on and let's see. Well, no more capital letters that I see. If you see any, maybe you could tell your moms and dads if you see any missing capital letters. I do know we need some punctuation. We need some periods or some question marks or maybe some exclamation points. So let's see if we can find a sentence. Today is Tuesday. Is that a sentence, boys and girls? Yes, it's a sentence. So we're going to put a period at the end of our sentence. Today is Tuesday. Miss Blossom told me that you are learning at home. There's another sentence, so we're going to put a period. This week we can still, guess what? Miss Blossom made a mistake. Is it okay to make mistakes? It is. So I'm going to fix it. The period doesn't go there. That wasn't the end of my sentence. Let me try again. Miss Blossom told me that you are learning at home this week. I think I found it. This is where the period goes. All right. We can still have fun even though we are apart. All right. I'm going to use an exclamation point because I think it's exciting that we can still have fun even though we're apart. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And that's another exclamation point. All right. Well, I got my punctuation in, so I'm going to go back and see if I need any more capital letters. Do you guys see any? Take a look. Tell moms and dads if you think we missed any capital letters. Oh, I know. We forgot our opening. Our opening always uses capital letters. So our good morning needs some capital letters. What else? Oh, remember when we come to the end of a period or end of a sentence and we have a period? We always start the next word with a capital. So we needs a capital. Let's see. Here's another punctuation. So our next letter needs a capital. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Did I get them all? I'm going to go back over and look. I did. I think we have all the capital letters. Now, honey, we're going to help you with some spelling. We've got a few spelling errors. Let's see. Today is Tuesday. Oh, you know what? Honey hears the Z sound, like in buzz. So I think that's why she's putting a Z. But we know it's not an S. So a Z. It's an S, honey. Even though it sounds like the Z sound. Today is Tuesday. Miss Blossom told me that you are. Ooh, that's one of our sight words. I think it needs an E. I think that you are learning at home this week. Oh, how do we make the long O sound? We need a helper. Do you remember that letter that helps O say its name? Tell your parents what letter helps O say its name. Can you tell them? Yep, you're right. It's an E. This week, we can still have fun even though there's our sight word. All right. Are we done? I think we have a couple more. Let's see. Have. Have it. That's not how we spell have. That's a sight word. It's a jail word. It doesn't follow any of our rules. But we just have to learn that have is H-A-V-E. All right. Today, I like to go back over just to make sure. Today is Tuesday. Miss Blossom told me that you are learning at home this week. We can still have fun even though we are apart. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Well, I see one more mistake, and I know you probably are all yelling it out loud to your parents, but it is in our opening to our letter. At the end of our opening, we always put a comma, and I know that you know that was missing. Good morning, comma. What do you think, boys and girls? Did we help her? And St. Patrick's Day is capitalized because that's a holiday, so I think we got that one. Wonderful. I think we're done. So Honey's going to write us a letter every day that we can correct. And before I close with you, since today is St. Patrick's Day, I put a lot of St. Patrick's Day things on your Seesaw activities. And one of them is a writing activity. And what I'd like you to do is write about if you found a 4-leaf clover or if you found a leprechaun. Tell me what you would do with that 4-leaf clover or that leprechaun. And you can write that on Seesaw and you can put it there for me to look at, or you can write in your regular writing journal. So glad I got to see you guys today, or at least pretend to see you. And I love hearing from you. Please do your Seesaw activities. Oh, I forgot to tell you. For every Seesaw activity you do, you will earn a dog dollar. So just imagine how much money you will have by the end of our little time apart. So dog dollars for every Seesaw activity you do. All right, I love you guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.